Thermal vision and night vision cameras. Many a times in scenarios having low or no light, vision is often required for various important purposes, but humans have significantly weak vision in those scenes. Here night vision and thermal vision cameras are pretty useful. Many animals have biological night and thermal vision. Like canines, night vision has very great ability to see in the dark. Also snakes have the ability to sense their prey using thermal visions. Night vision works on the principle to amplify light and hence used in low light areas. Thermal vision on the other hand does not use visible light but uses infrared rays, thus are effective even in no light areas. A thermographic camera, also called an infrared camera or thermal imaging camera, is a device that forms an image using infrared radiation, similar to a common camera that forms an image using visible light. Instead of 470-750 nanometer range of the visible light camera, infrared cameras operate in wavelengths as long as 14,000 nanometer. They are mainly constrained to military uses and fire rescuing operation, but are also open to civilian uses. Every physical body spontaneously and continuously emits electromagnetic radiation. The higher the temperature of a body, the more radiation it emits at every wavelength. This radiation has a maximum intensity at a specific wavelength that depends on the temperature. For example, at room temperature, approximately 300 Kelvin, a body emits thermal radiation that is mostly infrared and invisible. At higher temperatures, the amount of infrared radiation increases and can be felt as heat, and the body glows visibly red. At even higher temperature, the body is dazzlingly bright yellow or blue-white and emits significant amounts of short wavelength radiation, including ultraviolet and even X-rays. The surface of the sun, approximately 6000 Kelvin, emits large amount of both infrared and ultraviolet radiation, and its emission is peaked in the visible spectrum, which is yellow. Now, as we have understood how everything in room temperature emits infrared radiation, here's how thermal imaging works. A special germanium lens focuses the infrared light emitted by all of the objects in the view. The germanium lens is used because infrared rays cannot pass through glass. The focused light is scanned by a phased array of infrared detector elements similar to camera, except camera senses visible rays. The detector elements create a very detailed temperature pattern called thermogram. This information is obtained from several thousand points in the field of view of the detector array. This thermogram created by detector elements is translated into electrical impulses and follows same procedure as is followed as in camera to convert these electrical images into thermal images. A night vision camera is an optical instrument that allows images to be produced in levels of light approaching total darkness. They are most often used by military and law enforcement agencies but are available to civilian users. Despite popular belief, it is impossible to effectively use night vision if there is no light source, since these cameras work by amplifying already available small light and are useless in no light scenarios. Night vision goggles boost light in dim dark scenario in a series of simple steps. Dim light from a night scene enters the lens at the front. The light is made of photons of all colors. As the photon enters goggles, they strike a light sensitive surface called photocathode. It's a bit like a very precise solar panel. Its job is to convert photons into electrons. Here the information about the color is lost and technically the image is converted into black and white. The electrons are amplified by a photomultiplier, a kind of photoelectric cell. Each electron entering the photomultiplier results in many more electrons leaving it. The electrons leaving the photomultiplier hit a phosphor screen, similar to the screen in an old-fashioned television. Since there are many more photons than originally entered goggles, the screen makes a much brighter version of the original scene.